Another day, another cafe update. Hi guys, it's me Zarina and welcome to my cafe vlog. So, may lindol dito kahapon sa Davao and it happened twice. Yung una is around 9:40 ng umaga and yung pangalawa is around 9 p.m. And upon checking sa shop namin guys, thanks God, wala namang nangyaring mga damages sa building kung saan located yung cafe, but yung mga poste ng kuryente malapit dito is may pumutok at meron ding natumba. So because of that, we tried to check our line if affected din ba, and sadly guys, yung ibang line ng kuryente is hindi gumagana. Dahil dyan, we decided to close na lang muna today kasi yung appliances namin kagaya ng cake chiller, ice machine, coffee machine, ibang ilaw, and yung aircon is hindi gumagana. So in-address na namin yung problem namin sa assigned personnel ng building and hopefully maayos na nila para tomorrow open na tayo ulit. So yun lang guys, ingat kayo palagi, bye!